Welcome to Fresh Squeezed, the new way to create healthy, delicious baby meals at home. Other methods for storing and serving baby food haven't kept up with today's mom. That's why we've created the Fresh Squeezed feeding line that presses your delicious homemade baby food into easy-to-store and ready-to-serve squeeze pouches. It's totally unique and really simple. Make it, take it, yum. So here we go. Let's check out the squeeze station. It's the center of the Fresh Squeezed feeding line and presses your homemade baby foods right into squeeze pouches that make storing and serving super convenient. The squeeze station was designed to be easy to use and easy to clean, with very few parts to clean and keep track of. Right here, we have the station itself, the filling tubes, a press, the squeeze pouches, the pouch spouts, and the caps. Let's begin. Start by washing the filling tubes and press. Take your squeeze station and slide the squeeze pouches in like this. Now simply twist all 3 filling tubes into place on the squeeze pouch spouts. Then fill each tube with your freshly mashed or pureed foods. Next, use the press to put your yummy creation right in the pouches. To finish, keep the press in the tube, unscrew, slide the pouch out, and cap like this. Make sure to label your tasty batch with the ingredients used in each creation, as well as the date. We've also included this magnetic food storage guide that can be placed on the fridge or freezer. Now it's ready to take on the go, store in your fridge or freezer, or have baby enjoy right away. We also have a reusable squeeze pouch that works with the squeeze station or can be filled by hand. Remove the cap, unscrew the spout slightly, and then slide the pouch in. Next, you press. With the press still in the filling tube, unscrew and slide the bag out, and put the cap on. By hand, you simply remove the cap and pour in a puree like this. When you're done with your squeeze station, just remove the tubes and colored top and bottom parts. You can wash them by hand or place them in the dishwasher. Once all of the parts are clean and dry, put the press in any one of the filling tubes. Then place all 3 filling tubes inside the squeeze station by popping them onto the base like this. As you can see, it has been designed to keep everything neatly together. You can also place the entire set back in its original box until the next time you're ready to get squeezing. You can also add a la carte pieces from the Fresh Squeeze collection, like our funnel to make filling your squeeze pouches even easier, a freezer sleeve that allows for neat and easy storage, spoons that attach directly to the pouch, spare presses, and more. Now it's time to give it a squeeze and discover the yum. All products in the Fresh Squeezed line are BPA, phthalate, and PVC free. When handling food, you should always follow standard U.S. food safety guidelines, and be sure to properly wash your produce during the preparation process. This video is not a substitute for the product instruction manual. If you've purchased this product, read and review the entire product manual before using this product. The product instruction manual contains important warnings and instructions for use that are not covered in this video.
Once upon a time, the Baby Cook by Beba was born. From its launch in 1989, Baby Cook has made it easy for parents to steam cook, blend, defrost, and reheat healthy and nutritious meals for baby. After cooking thousands of baby food purees, soups, and many other delicious foods, Baby Cook gets a fresh new look. The needs of modern parents have changed. In order to satisfy those ever-changing needs, Beba continues to improve. Blending control ensures the proper food consistency no matter which stage your baby is in. Baby Cook Pro has a larger capacity. And that's not all. Baby Cook Pro 2X makes twice as many healthy and tasty meals. Each bowl holds 4 3/4 cups. You can make a savory puree on one side and a sweet one on the other. Best of all, our new Baby Cook Pro is the only baby food maker that offers total one-handed operation with one-touch opening and closing for busy parents. It's a versatile and easy-to-use 4-in-1 appliance that prepares delicious, steam-cooked meals in less than 15 minutes. The large capacity makes it easy to prepare nutritious meals in advance for the whole family. Baby Cook, the original baby food maker, loved by moms for over 20 years.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers with Cuisinart. This is our Mini Prep Plus. It's a great item to have in your kitchen. We have them in several new colors. One is magenta, which I don't have here today, and the other two are orange and green. This is a terrific item to have. It's perfect for small food prep tasks, everything from peppercorns and hard cheese to basil and parsley. You can even make small batches of salsa and guacamole, or even things like chicken salad. It's really handy to have. It's something to use every day when you're cooking in the kitchen. So let me show you some of the features. First of all, it's a 24-ounce work bowl, has a nice handle, has two speeds, chop and grind, and it also has an auto-reversing smart blade. And what happens is when you're going to do things like chopping, the blade actually will spin in one direction so that you're using the sharp side on soft food items. And when you're going to be doing grinding, you press the grind button and the blade automatically reverses in the other direction so that you're using the blunt side of the blade for hard food items, like things like peppercorns or nutmeg or even hard cheeses. The other thing that's really nice is that the lid actually has 2 holes in the top so that when you're going to be doing things like mayonnaise or vinaigrette, you can actually incorporate any kind of liquid like olive oil or vinegar right through the top of the work bowl. And what happens is it drips a little bit at a time, and it makes for a perfect emulsion when you're doing dressings and mayonnaise. So today I'm going to chop up some basil, just so you can see how it works and how efficient it is. So just remove the top, put the basil inside. You can do this with any type of fresh herb if you prefer. And then all you do is you can hit pulse. See how quickly that chops it up? Or you can just hold your finger down and it will run continuously. You can also do things like fresh nuts, to put inside a salad or even add to a pesto. It couldn't be a handier item to have in your kitchen. It's the Mini Prep Plus by Cuisinart.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.